Hey YouTube friends, it's Jasenia. How are you? I hope you're doing well. And thanks for stopping by. And just a reminder, if you are new here, please be sure you are subscribed and also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I am back with another video on how to make a churro cake right at home. Super moist and delicious cake. This is the only recipe that you're going to need, and all of the ingredients that you need are as pictured, except for a 3/4 cup of vegetable oil is all that is not visible there, as well as 2 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. But I did begin by adding in my 4 large eggs into the stand mixer bowl to incorporate alongside with my regular sugar and brown sugar. So you see me adding that in here. And basically I added in 1.5 cup of regular sugar and just a 1/2 cup of the light brown sugar is all it is here. Here you'll see me adding in a splash of vanilla extract and continue to blend until all combined there, and that's when you'll stop. Now I typically add in my flour in thirds, but all you're going to need is 2 3/4 cup of flour. One of them being cake flour. So 1 cup you use cake flour, and then 1 3/4 cup of regular all-purpose flour. I do have a video amongst my channel on how to make that cake flour. Super easy. I recommend that just to get a better textured cake. Again, I'm all about making my cakes nice and moist, soft, and delicious. So here you see me going in with the milk, and of course it's all at room temperature. In total you'll use 1 cup of milk, but I went in with half of that at first, and then I'll add in the last 1/2 cup at the very end. Now in my cake recipes, I add in a 1/3 cup of plain yogurt, but you can also use 1/3 cup of sour cream to get a moist cake. And then here you see me adding in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. And then just add in a little more of that flour until we're incorporated. And do not forget to also scrape down the sides of your bowl to get that all mixed in together. Here you'll see me going in with my 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. I use a generic brand, but really any brand works. I just always use vegetable oil for my cakes. Okay, finally adding in the last 1/3 of my flour to give it a final mix. guys, and this is what your batter should look like. It smells delicious and tastes even better. You can certainly use this recipe for any cakes of 6 inches up until 9 inches or even 10 inches, but with a thicker filling, of course. And I just went in and used these for 2 9-inch tins, and the final 1.5 cup was used for a 2-pound tin, and I just baked for approximately 24 to 30 minutes is all it needed to be baked for. But trust me on this one, you definitely want to try this at home. Definitely let me know what you thought, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram under Jessie's Creations with the double S at the end. And take care. Bye, guys.